Have you ever wondered if certain life events could permanently impact your fundamental rights? Restoring gun rights after a mental health commitment is indeed possible, but it involves a specific legal process. It is not an automatic process and generally requires a petition to a court and demonstrating that you are no longer a danger to yourself or others. Federal law, specifically the Brady Handgun Violence Prevention Act, prohibits individuals who have been involuntarily committed to a mental institution from possessing firearms. Many states also have their own laws that mirror or expand upon these federal restrictions. The underlying reason for these prohibitions is public safety, ensuring that individuals who may pose a risk due to a mental health crisis do not have access to firearms during that time. The first step in seeking restoration is to understand your specific state's laws, as these vary significantly. Generally, you will need to file a petition with a court, often the same court that issued the original commitment order. You will then need to gather compelling evidence to support your case. This typically includes medical records from your treating physicians or therapists, demonstrating that you have successfully managed your mental health condition and are no longer a risk. It is crucial to present a clear and consistent history of mental stability. This may involve evaluations from mental health professionals who can attest to your current condition and suitability for firearm ownership. The court will hold a hearing where they will review your evidence and testimony. Your objective is to convince the judge that you meet the legal standard for restoration, which often involves proving by clear and convincing evidence that you are not a danger. A successful restoration petition will lead to an order from the court. This order is then used to update records with the Federal Bureau of Investigation, specifically the National Instant Criminal Background Check System, or NICS. This update ensures that if you attempt to purchase a firearm from a licensed dealer, your background check will no longer show the mental health prohibition. Because of the complexities and the high evidentiary standard, navigating this process often benefits greatly from the assistance of an experienced attorney. Ultimately, restoring your gun rights after a mental health commitment is about demonstrating to a court, through official legal channels, that your mental health condition is stable and that you responsibly exercise your rights. It is a path to reestablishing a fundamental freedom by proving your current well-being and commitment to safety.